The rain in the forest. The forest was quiet, quiet, so quiet. The trees stood tall, grounded deep into the earth. The wind gently touched the trees as the leaves tinkled in the air, while the stream nearby babbled, soothing, soft, gentle. The sun shone through the gaps in the canopy, the light particles forming columns in the air, touching the ground below. A soft light, a gentle light, a yellow light, a warm light. The wind blew through the forest, a gentle breeze, rustling the leaves as they tinkled in the air. The sound echoed through the forest, the smell of water, while loose leaves lofted slowly to the ground, landing gracefully, landing gently, covering the forest floor. A wren perched on a nearby branch took a breath and plumped up its chest, ready to whisper the sweetness of life through the air. As its song reverberated through the forest, the echo could be heard far, far away. A call to the rain to quench thirst. One drop, then another drop, fell on the leaves, then the forest floor. There was another, and another, falling deep in the forest, echoing through the trees, the rocks, the plants, and the flowers, drop by drop whispering their presence, a presence of nourishment, the encouragement of life. Drops and drops, one after another, drops and drops fell, the pitter-patter of the arrival heard and felt by forest peoples. The rain was here, the rain was here. Animals, birds, and insects quietened as they honored the arrival of the droplets of life. Animals, birds, and insects burrowed, sheltered, went underground. They found solace in their forest abodes, and in an opening there she was, graceful, gentle, soft, and quiet, her tan fur dropping the rain off her coat to the ground, touching the fallen leaves as they prepared to join the soil once more. There she was with her doe eyes, her long ears, listening for the sounds of change. There she was, her soft snout sniffing the air, her soft snout taking molecules to check she was safe, her ears moving back and forth. Could she stay or go? Her head moved down to the forest floor, sniffing and checking and tasting the earth, looking for the strands of grass, the shoots that are tasty, young, recently burst by the droplets of water just a few days before. As she reached for the shoots, she tore them gently from the ground, tasting the sweetness of life, the nectar of forest life. She moved quietly on the forest floor, looking for more shoots. The droplets multiplied, the water coming down stronger than before. She flitted under the forest canopy without a sound or a whisper. She found a covered resting place and lay down. She would wait for the droplets to subside. Here in the forest of bounty, she would once again rise to nibble the shoots. The droplets sounded deep in the forest, only to stop as quickly as they started. The sun again filtering through the canopy, choosing a clearing on the forest floor, and here emerged a butterfly, gently flapping its wings, glistening in the light, tasting the ground with its feet, taking in the warmth after the coolness of the droplet. And once again the birds were singing the praises of the forest, singing in unison, a chorus of gratitude. As you move through your day or move towards sleep, may this story walk with you, for the gratitude of simple things buoy us gently in time-space.